everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I thought that I would give you a quick setup that I see in ALX. I am personally not familiar with this stock, but it was a chart request in the room not too long ago, and I noticed today that it is having a pullback here, and it is a royal setup. And we are nowhere close to the target. So those are all things that I like to see, is that I've got a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. I'm not quite to the targets yet, 322 and 339. I've come up to the 618 and I've failed, and I'm doing a retracement here. And this is the zone that I have for you. 272.65 to 276.75 is the new setup zone for you on this chart. Of course, as always, you can use the higher targets here of 322 and 339. However, if that low is in place from today, and only if that low is in place, I can give you another target also, which would be 291 and 295 off of this smaller swing. But I am going to take a look at this one tomorrow myself, just because I love that it is a royal. We are above the 200. We are above the 50. The 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And it is having a nice pullback, and it's got a long ways to those targets. So I hope you like it as much as I do. I guess what we need to look at next is, has it triggered from this new setup zone? It is a royal, so we can use a 5-minute trigger. Data is a little choppy on the stock, and no, it has not triggered yet. So I do want you to wait for triggers, please. But this is your new setup zone, 272 to about 277 or so there. All right, everybody, I hope you are having an awesome Monday. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you. Bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me